image quality. ISO 125,600. Built-in low-pass filter. +/3 of exposure compensation in 1/3 or half-stop increments. While there's been a recent trend of doing away with an optical low-pass filter on sensors in an effort to squeeze out even more detail, Canon has kept the filter on the M5 chip, and the 24MP sensor still delivers bags of detail, especially at low ISOs. See image below. Detail does drop off when you take the sensitivity beyond ISO 6,400, but this is to be expected. This not only provides the potential for producing decent quality A3+ prints, the flexibility offered by the densely populated sensor means you can crop images pretty aggressively if required. The EOS M5 handles noise well, which isn't surprising given that, as we've mentioned, its sensor has much in common with the ATDs, which was excellent in this respect. Noise between ISO 100-400 is virtually non-existent, with the M5 delivering lovely, clean images, while things still look pretty good above those settings. Luminance, grain-like, noise only really starts to make a noticeable appearance at ISO 1600, while color noise also starts to encroach at ISO 3200. Detail also begins to suffer beyond this point, but results are more than acceptable at ISO 6400, see image above, while at the upper limit of ISO 25,600 images do show a smudgy loss of detail, but are still usable.